Dear students, in continuation of our lecture on alkaloids, today we'll be discussing the next alkaloid, nicotine. With the use of nicotine, you are all aware. It is one of the few liquid alkaloids found in Nicotiana species. It is obtained naturally from Nicotiana tabacum. The plant as well as nicotine is named after French ambassador French Nicot. It is a powerful stimulant alkaloid, highly toxic, increases blood pressure and produces several side effects on the body. Tobacco is its natural commercial source, but it also occurs in several flowering, example Pseudium, Aceri, and vascular cryptogams Pteridophyta, example Equisetum, arvensi, and Lycopodium clavatum. Though nicotine is distributed throughout the plant, but concentration of nicotine in the leaves is higher. Now, let us come to the structure elucidation of nicotine. Nicotine is colorless, hygroscopic liquid miscible with water. Natural nicotine is levorotatory, but its salts are dextrorotatory. Molecular formula of nicotine was found to be C10H14N2 with double bond equivalent equal to 5. Now, what is the nature of nitrogen atom in nicotine? C10H14N2, that is nicotine, when treated with methyl iodide gives dimethyl iodide of nicotine. That is, it forms a diquaternary salt with two molecules of methyl iodide. It also forms two isomeric monomethyl iodides when treated with 1 molar equivalent of methyl iodide. This shows that both nitrogen atoms are tertiary. That is, C10H14N2 plus 2 methyl iodide gives C10H14N2 2NCH3 2I-. This is dimethyl iodide of nicotine. Nicotine, when treated with chromic acid, that is oxidation, forms nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid is pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. This formation of pyridine 3-carboxylic acid on nicotine shows that pyridine nucleus must be present in nicotine. Nicotine can be regarded as pyridine derivative with C5H10 side chain at C13. Here you see that the side chain of C5H10N is present in the pyridine ring. Pyridine ring accounts for 4 double bond equivalent, so 1 double bond equivalent must be present in the side chain. Pyridine nicotine, when reduced with sodium and ethyl alcohol, gives a hexahydro derivative, and further reduction is quite difficult. The conversion of pyridine to piperidine can account for this reaction, thus confirming the saturated nature of side chain in nicotine, and therefore it must be cyclic. Heating nicotine with hydroiodic acid gives methyl iodide. This reaction takes place at 150 degrees centigrade. It also confirms presence of NCH3. Further, if nicotine is oxidized with mild oxidizing agent like silver oxide, it gives nicotyrene. Formula is C10H10N2. So these reactions further rule out the presence of piperidine ring in nicotine.